Hello guys, I have this package. Let's unbox it together. I'm so ready for winter. I got this. Ooh, ooh, this is so nice. Can you see? They're spoiling my video. It's so nice. It's going to be warm when I put this on. It's going to be so warm. And also got this. This is funny. It's just for you to walk around with in the house. The socks, and it's really warm. Let's take a look at the inside. Yeah, I'm so ready for winter. You wanna buy it? Oh, oh, this is so beautiful, just like I expected it to be. It's an hair extension. I want to use it to make my guest hair. This is really pretty. Okay, I got this turtleneck. Okay. Oh, let's check out the feel. I'm so ready for winter. I don't know about you. I'm ready. I'm ready. And these two. Woohoo. Ah. You want more? I'm coming, baby. This is the target paper for snacks. And this is table mat. So pretty, right? I know. So this is the leggings. Just like my skin. I got my skin color. Okay. Is it darker than my hair? I don't know. Do I got my skin color? I also got this for the winter. I'm winter ready. I don't know about you. I'm winter ready, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Is it not pretty? I told you I'm winter ready. Promise myself I'm not going to forsake this winter. So I'm winter ready. I'm winter ready. I don't know how about you. I'm done. Bye, guys.